Two powerhouse platforms for support and IT, Intercom versus Jira Service Management. Which one really delivers? On the left, Intercom, AI-first customer engagement for sales and support. And on the right, Jira Service Management, agile IT service management and workflows. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick mind map of what we're going to compare today. Price, features and automation, integrations and ecosystem, usability and onboarding, scalability, and support and community. Ready? Let's do this.
All right, so first up, price. If budget is a big deal for your team, listen in. Intercom, okay, it's kind of upfront about being premium, starting at about $89 per month. They toss in AI features for all plans, which, hey, that's kind of cool. No setup fee either, so you can jump in fast. But honestly, there's less variety in pricing, so you might feel a little boxed in. Now, Jira Service Management, this one comes out swinging with a free plan. Yeah, you heard that right. And if you do need more, entry pricing starts way lower, around $21 to $39 a month. Pretty friendly, right? No setup fee here either. Of course, the more integrations or team members you add, that cost creeps up, especially if you get sucked into Atlassian's other products. So for price, Jira Service Management just takes the win.
Jumping into features and automation, my favorite part, honestly. Intercom is all about instant chat, has this super cool GPT-4 powered bot called Finn, plus customer segmentation and automated workflows. It's built for fast, personalized engagement. But if your needs are like really complex or IT focused, it can feel a bit limited. With Jira Service Management, we're talking customizable agile workflows, beefy reporting and dashboards, virtual agents, and honestly, a full ITSM toolkit. It's the go-to if you want powerful process control, especially for IT or project-heavy teams. Though, if you're more on the sales or marketing side, it might feel a little dry. For pure features and automation, both are absolute rock stars. So, calling this one a tie. On to integrations and ecosystem. And this is where things get kind of spicy. Intercom is awesome if you need connections to CRM, marketing tools, and there's a buzzing developer community. Sounds great. But if you're running a bunch of IT or DevOps stuff, you might hit some walls. So now, Jira Service Management. Oh man, its Atlassian suite integration is basically unbeatable. Jira, Confluence, you name it. It's made for IT, software, and dev teams with a massive developer ecosystem backing it up. Only catch? Using all these tools can get expensive if you go wild. Still, for pure integration muscle, Jira Service Management wins this round. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Intercom's AI chatbot, Finn, it's actually powered by GPT-4. Pretty wild, right? That means your customers get lightning-fast replies, driven by one of the most advanced AI models out there. Just thought you should know. Okay, usability and onboarding. And I gotta say, this is surprisingly important. With Intercom, it's super easy for literally anyone to hop in. You get this live chat interface that just makes sense. You won't get lost if you're new. The only hesitance? If you want ultra-complex workflows, you might wish for a bit more configurability. Switching over to Jira Service Management, it's a powerhouse for technical users, and you can really dig deep with customizing things. But the learning curve? Yeah, it's kind of steep. If you're not used to IT tools, it can be overwhelming. So in terms of sheer onboarding and that easy breezy experience, Intercom is the clear winner here. Let's talk scalability now. Now, Intercom, great for growing businesses, has a pretty massive user community, and you can really ramp things up. But heads up, the price does rise as you add more users or features. Jira Service Management is also built to scale. It works for distributed teams, flexes with ITIL, and grows with you. It's super flexible, but scaling up sometimes means more training or setup. The takeaway? Both can absolutely grow with you. So let's call it a tie. Last up, support and community. Intercom? You get 24/7 support and a big user base, which is super nice, but honestly, their support ratings are a bit lower compared to Jira, like 6.1 versus 9.1 on some review sites. Now for Jira Service Management. Again, with 24/7 support, but it's top rated, You get killer Helpdesk vibes and developer forums that are actually helpful. Only rub is, the docs can get technical. So, in this category, Jira Service Management scores the win. All right, quick pit stop. Let's visualize how these two stack up across all categories. Intercom shines in usability and customer engagement, while Jira Service Management dominates on integrations, support, and value. The gap really shows up in the areas that matter most to your team's style. So, you know what? If your vibe is sales or marketing-driven support and you want seriously next-level AI chat, Intercom is the move. But if you're more IT team, workflow control, or you need to plug into a full software and ops stack, Jira Service Management just makes more sense. If this comparison helped, let us know. And hey, stick around for more expert guides on picking the best tools for your team.